Okay, we're going to take a look at another Zippo today. I just got it. Now this is a little bit newer design. And of course it arrives in the Zippo black box. And the label on this one is Flag Skull. Genuine Zippo lighter made in the USA in Bradford, PA. Nothing special about the box except that it's made in the USA. There's a good look at the Flag Skull, otherwise known as the Punisher. So this is on a black matte finish, and it is a brass body that was made in, looks like L 15, which is, I think it's December of last year. L of 15. Real nice sound. Steel insert, not a brass insert, but a steel one. Lights up nice. Let's do a drop test. Okay, first drop test with it closed. No rattle. What happened? Did it fail the drop test? Now let's do the same drop test with it open and lit. Try that again. Okay, there's the drop test with the Zippo open and lit. Passed good. Good sound. Still lights up nice. That is the Zippo Flag Skull, but we know it as the Punisher. And it's a brass one, so it's a good one. And that deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.